The Active Users tab in the IBM Cognos Administration Console provides information about the Integrated Control Suite beacon. This beacon runs in several of the IBM Cognos user interface elements, such as Cognos Connection, Cognos Viewer, Integrated Version Control, View Revision History or Archive History, as well as the Studios. This beacon monitors user activity and provides a feedback mechanism for broadcast messaging and private messaging. Within the Studios, the beacon is required as it provides feedback and real-time information from one user's Report Studio browser session to another user's studio session. This information alerts the users about concurrent edits or changes in report logs. However, the Cognos Connection and Cognos Viewer beacon can be disabled in the Global Options section. The polling frequency can be modified as well. The default is 15 seconds. As we scroll down, we can see the Currently Active Users section. This section shows all active users that are in the system as of now. We can see that there are 3 users in the system, Ari, Drama, and Vince. We can also see where they're located and what they're doing, and how long they've been in that area. As we can see, Ari is in Cognos Connection, specifically in his My Folders, My Checked Out Reports folder. And he's been there for a few minutes. Drama is working on the MetaManager 3 output Report Validator Detail Results report. He's currently viewing it in Cognos Viewer, looking at it in Cognos Connection, and accessing the version control revision history for this report. Vince is working on 2 different reports in Report Studio and sitting in Cognos Connection. There are 2 mechanisms for communicating with users in the Active Users tab. The Broadcast Message section is designed for alerting system-wide information, such as alerting users if the IBM Cognos server is going to be rebooted and that they should log off. By default, this message will expire in 5 minutes. When we send this message, the message will be immediately sent to all of the active users in the system. As well, the message will be delivered to any users who log onto the system for the next 5 minutes. We can navigate to Ari's session in My Folders and see this message. As well, we can see how the message is delivered in Report Studio. As users receive the message, they should log out of the environment. Back in the Active Users tab, the administrator can monitor this to see when the users have logged out of the system and it's safe to reboot the server. Now that all the users are out of the system, we can safely reboot the server. In addition to sending a broadcast message, we can choose from the list below to send a private message to just one or a specified set of users. That message will only go to those users and will only be delivered to them once.